Today, we are in premises of company Välinge in Ogulin, which develops, manufactures and sells a wide range of the product consisting in a wooden floor, traditional in a massive wood, and innovation floor made in a new material. The Välinge company is integral part of the group of a parental company Permanova Invest AB, which also includes the company Välinge Innovation. With us is today Mr. Vedran Kasic, who is already 7 years responsible for the work of the wooden facility in Välinge. He currently leading several innovation projects that make up his doctoral thesis on wood modification technology. Well, Mr. Kasic, it's a great honor and a big pleasure to have you today with us. Please, can you tell us what it means for you to be the part of the world-famous company as Permanova Invest AB?
First of all, I would like to thank you to visit us in Ogulin. In Välinge I'm 7 years, about totally 10 years in this company, and our friendship is much longer than 7 years. We met in last company, Technodervo.
Yes.
And first steps in drying wood I made with you.
Yes.
7 years ago, Mr. Pervan bought Välinge and started this story based on all wooden patents from Sweden. Right now, the whole company, we have around 3,000 patents, but used in production is around 2,000. And the most famous patent is click joint of parquet. Yes, and of course, the mentality of innovation and patents, they just copied from Sweden to Croatia, and our managers or management board, they are pushing us to thinking of innovation things and to think on that way. Of course, we need to think about environment and price, of course.
Yeah. We heard about this decision of the parents company that they want to make important investment in the Croatian market, but not only investment, they are also opening for the new technologies.
Yes, the main problem on market, or problem, let's call it solution for that problem, is to use the less material for bigger amount of parquet or any kind of wood products. That's why they invented the new type of floor. It's called woodura, where if we compare it for a standard solid wood floor or 3-layer parquet, thickness of top layer is 0.6 millimeters. If you calculate, that means from 1 cubic meters we can have 8 times much more parquet. If you calculate, it's a reduction of 8 times, it's extremely big. Of course, it's not just the benefit of money, it's benefit of environment or forest protection. Yeah. And I think it's great product because it is wood, it looks like wood, that means it's wooden floor.
We already know that one of the most important step in technology of the parquet production is drying of the wood. Please tell us how you see and your experience with the drying center of the wood, with the drying chambers of Italian producer Incoplan.
Yes, drying kilns is just one of the steps in production, but I think it's the most important thing, most valuable part of production, because if you are handling it with inadequate moisture, wood moisture, you cannot produce quality parquet. Now about Incoplan, I told you a long time ago that you should close your R&D in Italy because we don't have any job to do, or our job is much easier with your R&D. We are extremely satisfied with your kilns. We can dry it from thickness of 2 millimeters to 180 millimeters without any cracks, without any warping, without collapse. We are extremely satisfied with your kilns. Capacity, drying time, but maybe the most valuable thing of Incoplan is that when we have a problem, we can solve it in less than 24 hours. Maybe some other producers of kilns are much cheaper, maybe better, but don't think so. But that relationship between our company and your sales team is that relationship you cannot buy with money.
In the last period, with a lot of difficulty about Corona, world crisis, economic crisis, finally this year Incoplan will be present one of the most important fair of the woodworking, Ligna Plus, and I hope that we can have you or delegation from Berlin as dear guest on our stand.
I hope so, because right now, for the last 2 or 3 days, we are discussing about visit to Ligna. The guys for gluing, they will go to see big presses or machines,
yeah.
And of course we would like to go as drying team, or let's call it like that, to visit you and to see your new things on market, to see your new logo.
Oh, yeah.
See your new logo, and hopefully we will meet there and have a good time.